Yo Dia, it's your birthday. You're turning 40. It's your birthday. I can't believe I'm missing your birthday. It's terrible.
And Dia, you're entering a new chapter of your life into the new decade, turning 40, and I'm sure you will make that 40 at naughty really proud, and you
Naughty at 40, baby.
naughty at 40 really proud, and you will do a really good job.
Happy birthday.
Happy
and
birthday!
A lot of people have showered you with a lot of love. So enjoy the next few videos. Mwah.
কি হেলমেট নিয়ে কোথায় যাচ্ছ?
Hey, don't you know? Today I'm going to wish happy birthday to my hair pulling, lipstick wearing, selfie taking, with eyes closing, shopping going sister, as in Didia, Koel. Love you, love you, love you. Happy birthday, Didia.
Congratulations on another spin around the sun, my sweetheart crazy bindas Koel. Love you. Wish you a very happy birthday.
হ্যালো, হ্যাপি বার্থডে কোয়েল পাখি। কি বলি বলতো? কি বলবো আর কি বলবো না, আমি প্রচুর কথা বলি আর আমার ওর সম্বন্ধে অনেক কিছু বলার আছে, প্রচুর। ফার্স্ট অ্যান্ড ফরমোস্ট যেটা হচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে ভীষণ মিষ্টি একটা মেয়ে। ওকে আমি কোয়েল পাখি বলি। পাখির মতোই সারাক্ষণ উড়ে বেড়াতে ভালোবাসে, সারাক্ষণ উড়ে উড়ে উড়ে, আর ছানাগুলোকেও ভীষণ সুন্দর সামনে রাখে, ভীষণ। এটা ওর একটা গুড কোয়ালিটি। ভীষণ ভালো মা, ভীষণ ভালো বন্ধু, ভীষণ ভালো বোন। আর যাকে ভালোবাসে তার ওপর ওর একটা অদ্ভুত অধিকার বোধ হয়েছে। বকুনিও খায়, প্রচণ্ড জড়িয়ে ধরে আদরও করে। আর কি বলবো, অনেক কিছু বলতে ইচ্ছে করছে, এইটুকুটা ভালো লাগছে না। ভালো থাকিস কোয়েল, তুইও ভালো থাকিস। ভীষণ সুন্দর তুই এটা করেছিস, আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে। ফেসবুকে তো দেখিস, লিখেছি। বাই।
Hey Koel, happy 40th birthday to you. You know it very well. Defining you in one line is next to impossible, but I'll give it a go. So Koel for me is my childhood bestie, a completely wacky friend, lipstick queen who's got me into lipsticks too, a wonderful mother, an outstanding one, a very loyal friend who's been with me in my best and my worst, and I know she'll continue to be. She's a fighter and a wonderful person. I love you very much, and I wish you a very, very happy birthday once again.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Koel. No matter how much we fight, you will always, always remain my angry bird. Love you to the fullest and wish you a very happy 40th.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে কোয়েল। তোকে সিনসিয়ার একটা থ্যাঙ্কস জানাই ফর জয়নিং মি ইন অল দ্য নাস্টি অ্যান্ড দ্য হরেবল থিংস I think we've done together, and of course I feel that yes, we do share the same kind of mental disorder, starting from going out at 3 o'clock in the morning and coming back to the hotel around 5 o'clock. I'll never forget that. And I mean, if I start, of course it'll be a never ending list, and though else told me it only has to be 2 lines. So yes, even I have been crazy always, and we will be. Happy birthday again.
Hello Koel, I have been beset with the daunting task of describing you in a line. It's so difficult, but I'll still try. I think what everybody would agree is the fact that your infectious streak of madness makes you the core and the Jan of every party, every gathering. My life wouldn't have been half as interesting had you not been there. So I'm very lucky that way. Apart from that, I think you are a very honest person and a very principled woman, something that is a rarity nowadays. We have spent 35 years of unadulterated friendship, and on this milestone year, I hope we get to witness many more eventful years of your life and celebrate it together. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Koel, and life's best. I love you.
Hi, Koelsi. Happy 40th birthday. And I'm super excited today. I'm super happy because you are becoming 40 now. There's no going back. We can say the same thing. So, I've been asked to say something in one line or a paragraph about you. Decades of friendship, I can't think of something to say in one line or one word or one paragraph as well. So many things to recall, so many memories to cherish, and so many incidents to laugh. I mean, I don't have anyone. I mean, I really can't think of any one thing that I can say. But yes, there's something actually which really cracks me up every time I think about you. Like your madness is very organic and self-soothing. So, it really cracks me up sometimes. And you do it such a straight face. So, the best part is that have anybody gone to have buffet with you? Because you insist that we eat every single thing that's served because we have paid, and half away we can't give up because since we have paid full and we need to eat full. So you encourage people to actually go, or rather, I can't say the word encourage, you force people to go to the washroom to do the download job, come back and then eat. I mean, that is like epic. I don't know how many people have gone through that torture, but yeah, that's something that really cracks me up. But apart from that, I don't have one thing to say about you. You are such a amazing friend. You've been with me for decades. We know too much about each other to even say something else about it. But yeah, it's just like I'm blessed. I'm just blessed to have you. So love you lots. Mwah. Have a fantastic birthday. Mwah. Bye.
How do you solve the riddle that is Koel? How do you hold her back from all the moss? How do you describe darling niece Koel?
A gibbery chattery box, a clown. A very happy birthday to you, Koel. ঠিক যেমন আছিস তেমনই থাক।
Happy 40th Jhoglute. I mean the spirited fighter. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kolu darling. 40 years is a big thing. It's a huge milestone. Happy birthday from me and from, I don't know if you can see the fellow and this person. I just wanted to say that I'm so proud of you as a sister, that you've been so good. You've been so good all your life. You've been an excellent daughter and excellent person, wonderful, sweet sister, fashionable, and most importantly, you are coming up to be a fantastic mom. Quality time, the way you're bringing up your children, it is really commendable. I know I've said this before and I'm never going to get tired of saying this. I love you with all my heart and I'm very proud to be your elder sister. Love you, Kolu. Happy birthday again.
When Doyle asked me to say something about Koel, I thought that shouldn't be a very difficult thing. To say something about someone that I've known from her childhood should not be a very difficult job. But now that I've started making this video, I realize how difficult it is to say something, even a few words, about someone who's as special as Kolu. I must confess that she has been by far my best sister and probably one of the best friends that I've ever had. The bond that we have shared cannot be put down into words. Though a lot of people have tried to break that bond, but where the heart rules the head, the heart will always win. Her journey from Toel in Twins Path Tejistul to becoming an amazing woman and a wonderful mother is really something to talk about. I don't know how or when I became her loving Didi Shona from Manta Pata Pata. Happy birthday to my dearest and loving Kolu. May you get the very best in life. Stay as you are, soft, simple and innocent, because that's what makes you special and different from all of us. Love you loads.
Birthday Koel, welcome to the 40s Club. You are a sister I grew up with. You were crazy, but we were friends. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Shona. I love you. I want you to know that for me, you are my childhood, and everything wonderful about summer holidays in Calcutta and Salt Lake and grandparents and swimming together in Calcutta Club and Swimming Club. I hope every happiness is yours today and always.
Hi dear, happy birthday. Now I have been given this Herculean task of describing you in one line. Anyway, here goes. I think one of the best qualities about you is that you're very affable, you're very easy to talk to, and you can talk to just about everybody, and everybody will enjoy talking to you, spending time with you. Having said that, I would also like to remind you that you're the only person I have met who would doze off and then wake up and then still talk, just blabber, and then again doze off in between, again wake up and blabber. Incredible. And yeah, you're the only person I have met so far. Anyway, happy birthday once again.
Do you know what K stands for?
Yeah, kind-hearted.
O.
Outstanding.
E.
Energetic.
And L.
Lovable. That stands for
Koel.
Happy birthday. We love you, Dia.
Hey Superwoman, happy birthday Dia. Oh my god, you are 40 and guess how old I am. I had to do this and I had to do it on record this year so that I can use it again after 10 years. Happy 48, Koeldi.
Okay, just for some incidents, we all know about Koeldi's impeccable antics. So here goes one of the very funny ones. So this was the time, say about 6-7 years back, maybe a little more, where she had a BlackBerry. For some odd reason, better known to her, she had a super love for her BlackBerry, to the extent that it was like her third child. So in any of her pictures, you could see she and her BlackBerry, other people not important.
Exactly, Yamamoto.
Anyway,
Happy 40th, enjoy.
Enjoy, cheers,
Love you.
stay safe.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Lipstick Queen. You're my perfect partner in crime, whether it comes to gossip, addas, or partying all night.
And yeah, you are the person who tells me half stories all the time, and thank you for all of them. There's so many stories to finish. Yeah. Okay, happy birthday once again, you epitome of crazy, hyper, woman of my life. Thank you so much. And
see, mine was clearly well rehearsed, while his is spontaneous. But happy birthday, Dia.
Happy birthday, Dia.
We love you.
Love you.
South City te thake, lipstick pore takai Dia, body splash make. Shit, Dia, I can't believe you're 40. You're 40. Oh God, you're 40. You're 40! Oh, but you still look sexy. You're a sexy mom, Dia. Happy birthday! And please don't annoy us.
We love you, Mama. You're very unpredictable. Sometimes when I ask you if I can play with my friends on the laptop Minecraft or if I can play with Kuhu, Sometimes you say yes, other times you take my phone and laptop and make me go to sleep.
You're really, really kind.
You're really, really funny. Sometimes your jokes are quite funny, but the other times your jokes are quite lame.
You are strict and unique in a good way.
You're our best friends.
forever.
Happy birthday, Mama. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Great year ahead.